Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to take screenshot of any page and then share with using link by using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write awesome screen recorder and screenshot. So this is a Google Chrome extension. Press enter. So we are going to install it. Now you see. So click on it and then you see add to Chrome. So click on it and then you see pop up add awesome screen recorder and screenshot and then you see button add extension. So click on it. So when installing this Google Chrome extension, then open sign in page. So we are going to sign in with Google. So click on it. So you can create account. Now sign in done and account created. Now you see pin awesome screenshot for easy access. So click on it and then you see access requested. So make it pin. So this extension also used for screen recorder. If you want, you can give access. Now click on grant access. So we are in step 4. If you want, you can add this. So it's up to you. Now click on skip. So we are in step 5 and then you see setup finished. Now done. Open any website. Now website is open and then you see extension icon. So click on it. Now you see capture. So click on it and then you see full page, visible part, selected area. So you can select option according to requirement. So our main purpose is to take screenshot and then share with other friend or other person using link and then you see save image to. Now you see local. We are going to select cloud. Now select selected area again. So you can take screenshot. Now you see multiple option. Now click on capture and then you see source URL. Got it. So we capture this image and then you see share your image, generate shareable link. So this is a source URL. So we take screenshot from this website. Now close and then you see move from my item. We select cloud and then you see share your image. Now click on generate shareable link. So link is generated. So you can collaborate or share this link to anyone, your friend. Now copy. Now you see 3 dots. So click on it. Now you see revoke shareable link. If you want, you can use this option. Get short URL, source URL setting. So we are going to click on get short URL. Now copy to clipboard. Copy. So we are going to open this link to another browser. So we added link. Now you see preview. So click on it. So this is a screenshot we share by using Google Chrome extension to other person via link. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.